Alright, so just to walk you around the field real quick. Got that. Got this. Another fort up there. Fortification here. Respawn point down there. It's a work in progress right now, but it's come pretty far from what it started out as. Blazing trails and blazing through spider webs as well. So welcome to the Sherwood Forest. It's not a big play area. It's big enough to have some fun. Just a few guys. The trail cuts through there. We're going to come this way. This dugout's one I like. You can jump down in. See a good ways. There's the other respawn point. Like I said, it's not very big, but if you're really wanting to get a shoot on, it's the perfect place to do so. Just cut this trail out. See what y'all think of it. Got this spray painted orange, and I'll let you guess why. It's a big old thorn tree. Just got thorns all over it. Look at that, eh? Like I said, I just blazed this trail out, so if you don't recognize it, it's just because I just did it the past 2 days. Like I said, we've come a long way from what we started out with just this. I managed to spread this out and make it a playable area. It's really a CQB, a close quarter combat place, like extremely close quarters. You're only ever probably at the most 150 feet away from each other. So you're always engaging each other, which I like. I like just that constant. Constant threat, keeping that alive. So that's it. Right there's the area. I got blue paint on trees. I'll show you real quick. We got a bunch of tarps hanging up. It's just because they're cheap. Some barrels. Tarps are the cheapest way to go. This blue paint signifies where you can be shot from, and the orange paint signifies where you can't be shot from. Orange paint is going to be, I didn't walk you back there. Orange paint is going to be respawn areas or places that's going to be, if you'll shoot from there, you'll be shooting into a respawn area where people might have their goggles off, or they're reloading, or they're trying to respawn. So once they do respawn, them trees that I marked blue, they can be shot once they get past them. So they got to be on the go every step they take. Got a lot of orange paint. But that'll stop the problem of where we need to know where we can't shoot at. Then somewhere back here, I just blazed a trail in this back part, just in case you, like up through there, it's pretty clear. So if you want to walk back here to get to over there without being seen, aka you're a sniper, you can walk back here. And I just blazed this trail. Basically it was a deer trail, but there's a bunch of overgrown stuff on it. So I just made it more clear. It ain't as clear as I'd like it, but at the same time I want this camouflage around. It's just natural camouflage. It'll work perfect. And you come right up through here into the first respawn area, which is marked by this red bandana. Still have our ducks out here. Yellow quack quacks. But that's pretty much it. Like, it's not a big area, but it's a lot of fun. I'm working on getting it cleaned up and looking like an actual field to play in. It works right now. Let me jump down in here so you can see what it looks like. Right. This is mud where you can shoot there. I got this tarp right on the tree just to widen it out so you can kind of reload without having to worry about getting shot for a second. So that's it. Got a lot of rocks we've dug up. We put here. This just says pew pew. But we've had a lot of fun. It's been a lot of fun. A lot of time, but a lot of fun. Hopefully we'll get a game on this Saturday. And might put a clip on that on here. We'll see. Alright. Well, take it easy. God bless.